Hi everyone, in this video we will know about like operator in SQL. So what is like operator? Like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. For example, if we have a millions of records in a table, or if we have to find one particular value in a column, so how we can find is we can find through like operator, and we will use a where condition. So there are two wildcards. Wildcards are special characters used in SQL queries to match patterns in the data. So first wildcard is percentage sign, second is underscore. Percentage sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. Underscore represent a single number or character. So we will see with example what it means. So here I am fetching the data from employees table. So in the employees table you can see the first name column. So I will apply like operator for first name column. Where first name like, in single quotation mark I will give percentage sign I. So it means it will search for the value where I will be at last position, and before I it can be 0, 1 or multiple characters also. You can see in the first name value I is the last character, and before I it can be 0, 1 or multiple characters. So percentage represents. Now I will write D percentage. It means it should start with D, but after D it can be 0, 1 or multiple characters. Now I will write percentage on percentage. It means on should be there in the first name value, but before o it can be 0, 1 or multiple characters, and after n it can be 0, 1 or multiple characters. So on is coming in the last also, in the middle also, it's fine because percentage represent 0 characters also. Now I am writing underscore I. Underscore represent only single character or number. It means I should be at last position, but before I only single character should be there. So K is there. Now I will write DO underscore ALD. So I am getting only one row, which is DO and ALD. So now I will write DO underscore D. You are not getting any records because underscore represent only single character. So this is how you can use like operator to search for a specified pattern, and you can use different wildcards as per requirements. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.